Right everyone, just wanted to share some bits with you. We've got some new chipboard in, and these are the big tags, and they measure, if I remember rightly, 5.5 inches wide, which is 14 centimetres, by 8 3/4 inches long, and in centimetres that's about 22 centimetres. So we've got the normal size tags, which is 8 by 4, and these are bigger, but you're getting 4 of these for the whatever price it is it's on there. These are 3mm chipboard, the others are 4mm chipboard. So you get 2 of the others, but you're getting 4 of these because we managed to pick up some chipboard, and they're great, absolutely great for what you need. The other things we've picked up are these cones. Great for doing, you like if you're doing a bouquet. Perfect, solid. And 2 sizes, small or large. And the sizes are on the things, I've measured them. Let me just run through what this is. This one measures 7 inches long by 2.5 inches across. But you don't have to use them as holding flowers and, you know, sweet things for kids. It'd be ideal for parties. You could make that into a mini house. I'm going to do a mini house with mine. And again, that one's 1 3/4 by 6.5. Well, 6 3/4. So, you know, they're great, and they're sturdy as hell, really strong. I'm sure you can think of things to make with them. So we've got those in. I've got plenty of them. The other thing I've been doing is making these, which I went onto Pinterest last night, just have a scout round, see what was happening, and I saw some pictures. They're not the same as these, they're a lot shorter, and but I thought, you know what, no. That was the first one I made, but then I decided to do the bigger ones and put in the gemstones in. And they've also got gemstones on the end as well. So I've just put these up for sale. But they've come out great. I'm thrilled with that. And the other one is, I wanted to make... I've made a miniature bird. But I want to make one a little bit bigger. But he's cute. You can sit there, mate. Right, yeah, plant your bum there. But I wasn't sure whether... I think I might pad mine out, to be honest. So I'm just going to get a little bit of wadding. There's some wadding. I'm just going to pad mine out. I'm going to do it. I'm going to see if I can do it while I'm online, because I might as well. I think we only need that. Just put that to one side. Yeah. Okay. We'll see. It might be total rubbish. So, what I'm going to do is... I've got stuff all over my desk because I'm really busy trying to create things. I'm just going to basically draw a bird, I think. Do you know, I need a little template doing, don't I? Let me see if I've got a bit of... Let me just try and do a little template. I thought I had a template of a bird. Come on, Fee, what have you done with it? Don't know. So, what I need... For me, nails are filthy. Sorry, I do apologise. It's got cleaner in it and, you know, dyes and that. So, we need a little... I had a little template of a bird somewhere. I need to find it. You just want something like that. Oh, I'm not sure if I've got that right. We'll see. We'll see what it looks like when it's done. When we cut it out. But I will find my little... I've got a gorgeous little template for a bird. Might dip the body a little bit more. Yeah, I think that's about right. So, oops, glue gun. Why aren't you on? I thought I put you on. I'm not happy with that bit. Well, that's about right. Sorta, kinda. So, and I'm just going to draw it onto here. Yeah, that'll do. And that's what I'm going to glue first. So I'm just going to glue around that first and leave a gap. Stuff it. Hopefully. And then we'll see. You just have to play around a little bit. Ah, so we've got a little body like that. Didn't take much doing, did it? I think probably next time I might do it a little bit bigger. Right, so then what I'm going to need some feet. So I've got some wire here. It's just flexible wire you need, nothing more. Now these need to be flat at the top. So that's what's going to poke inside of the body section. Okay, just for now we're just going to poke that in like that. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue in between there and poke that in. like that. And then we have to do the same with this one. I'm just going to straighten this one up a little bit. I'm going to put the glue around there, that doesn't matter. I think I've put that one in the wrong place. Let me take that one out and pop it back here. Like that. See? Like that. I'll sort them legs out after, when I've got this done. Right, so we've got a little body. Now, we're going to need eyes. Well, what I've got are these, the pins, and I don't have any black beads, so I'm having to use these. So all I have to do is take off the stem, but yeah, I'm just going to hopefully do it without throwing the bead everywhere. Trying to aim it straight into the bin. Right, so then what we're going to do is pop a little one of these here, like that, and we do the same the other side. That's about right. It looks alright, doesn't it? Little bird. And it's going to need a wing. And I was going to do it with, using the Jute string, to be honest. So, let me just see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Round my fingers 5 times. Okay, and then we just do that, what we've done before. Get that glue off my fingers, because otherwise I can't feel anything. Cut. And we just have to pull that out. Like that. We put that on that side of the bird. And then I'm going to take a little bit more. Do you know what? I might not do that. I might just put something on. Like one of these. Yes, I think I'm going to do that. They're just little beads that look nice. Oh, that's pretty. So we'll put one of those on either side. Like that. That's about right. And you've got little wings. Oh, needs a beak. Needs a beak. Looks more like a friggin' parrot. Right, so I don't know what to use for a beak. I think I used a bit of card and coloured it black. No, yellow I did the other one, didn't I? Right, so I'm just going to use a bit of card. Fold that in half. So we've got that. And then I need another one for the bottom section. Or do I? Maybe not. Right, so let's just glue this on. I'm just going to trim it a little bit. That's about right. And then take that off. And then I'm going to get my black felt, I think it is. Let's see if this will work. Take the glue off the eye bit. Yeah, I think I'd use black card initially if I was doing them again. But hang on. So I need to make sure that no, why doesn't he stand up? He should. He does. He stands up. I've got a little bird. He should really stand up like that. Let's see if he will. Oh, they should stand up like that. I'll get him to stand somehow. I'm not sure why he's not standing, to be honest. Yeah, but hey, I've got a little bird. And when I glue him onto wherever he's going, that's going to be fine. Nice little bird. We can continue to... let's have a look. What else can we do with him? Well, we can continue to tart him up a bit, so let's just see. See, like that. If we want, make him nice. Sit him there, mate. You can keep adding bits to him. Like that. I'm going to put one more above. Looks more like a, what do you call it, parakeet or something. One of them white parrots. There you go. Hey, he's cute, isn't he? Look. Really cute. I'm thrilled with that. Right then. Do you know, I'm going to put one more, just a small one on the top of his head. I think he needs another one. Just here. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Isn't that cute? You can play around. There's lots of different things you can do. But I think he's cute. He'd even look good on a card. Go grab them while you can. Tussy mussy for that one. And, well, whatever you want to do with them. Make them into houses. I want to make that into a house. A lighthouse. How's that? I might do a lighthouse scene. And I have put these up for sale. If anybody wants them. That's it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.